Finally, after a long wait of so many mails, messages, comments, good wishes, bad wishes, finally the day has come when Sadhguru is going to have his first live interaction publicly after 6 months since Mahashivratri. Now, in this entire 6 months, we literally have waited for Sadhguru like anything to recover him soon. Now, during this phase, many people went against him, many made joke out of his injury, many got lost that how an enlightened being can get sick. But at the same time, many also stayed with their guru. And for us, for a content creator, this entire 6 months was not very easy, where people every day were feeling like, where is Sadhguru? How is Sadhguru? They will literally message me. And they were becoming so impatient about it, all these things. Many people also said that why you people are just repeating the old videos of Sadhguru. Finally, after 6 days, Sadhguru is having the public interaction, the first live interaction publicly with all the people all around the world. Now, 6 days are still left, right? So I just want to say a few things to them, those who were questioning that why we are repeating the old videos of Sadhguru. Now, all this several channels have done, only because when Sadhguru was absent all these days, actually he was not absent, but yes, his videos were not coming, new videos were not coming. We all repeated his previous videos because actually, it's very sad that the whole spiritual process is not happening to even 1% of the entire population. For all others, when things are going well, they are laughing, and when things are going bad, they will start crying. There are very few people in the world who, whichever the situation is, are okay and balanced. But a whole lot of them will just go in the way as the life situation will push them. We all have forgotten that we all are a evolved human being. But the animal instinct in us is still very predominant. And so, if the difference has to come, it can only come with awareness. There's no other way. And once you become just little aware, then you have to make the little arrangements that are needed to put yourself into the right place. And so, when Sadhguru was not in public interaction, we replayed his old videos so that you don't forget your sadhana, so that you don't lose the track with your spiritual process, so that you don't forget that yes, Sadhguru is still alive, Sadhguru is there for us. He has just went to a small break to rest. That's it. We should be patient. The treasure, the tools Sadhguru has given us, the tools are just Sadhguru himself. The tools in Sadhguru are not very different. Sadhguru is always there and he was always there. It was just that new videos were not coming. That's it. All these are done so that you remain on track, so that you don't lose the pace, your mental condition, your mental health. We know that in this year, the student suicide has increased to a level that has exceeded than ever before. We all people have to get together, just hold each other's hand and walk together in this spiritual path. Because ultimately, no matter how much you earn, no matter how much you do work, but ultimately, if there is no spirituality in your life, you will fail in your life. Nothing is going to happen. If you don't have a drop of spirituality in your life, then your life is just full of darkness. On the other hand, a single drop of spirituality can lighten your entire world. Do your work joyfully, enjoying, integrating spirituality and yoga and sadhana in each and every moment. And that is why we didn't want to lose track with your sadhana, with the spiritual practices, or with the teachings of Sadhguru, the treasure he has given us. So hope you all might have got some answers. And now finally, hope you all are aware of the fact that 23rd September is Sadhguru's Enlightenment Day. And on the same day, Sadhguru is going to have a public interaction from Tennessee, USA. Yes, presently he is not in India. He will come India very soon. But yes, this 23rd September, we will have the first live public interaction with Sadhguru. Now the link of the live event I have given in the description. We all know Enlightenment Day was the day in which Sadhguru had an indescribable ecstasy unfolded within him. From that moment onwards, his life main work, main purpose has been to make this possibility happen for each and every human being. So don't forget to meet Sadhguru on 23rd September. Link I've posted in description. So now finally, are you all ready to meet him? Just comment down in the comment box. And now listen to a short video of Sadhguru. How Sadhguru is happening for us and how sitting with him for a small moment itself can liberate you.
I don't want to say this, but in many ways, once you sit with me, your realization is assured. Maybe you will wait till the last moment, that's different. But that is assured. So that's not the goal. But to be capable of delivering it, to be capable of carrying it on, and not just to be a recipient, but in some way to become a source.
Now hope you all are ready for 23rd September. And now, closing the video, hope you loved it and found it meaningful. And if you know someone who are unaware of this fact that Sadhguru is going to interact with us, just spread this news, just spread this message, just spread this video as much as you can. And do not forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. And up to next, stay safe, healthy, happy and namaskaram.